I welcome you everybody to the class of data structure. Today we'll see circular single linked list. In previous class we have seen single linked list and its different operation like insertion and deletion at different places. So in case of circular single linked list, so it is a simple single linked list, but the difference is that at the last node the link part contains the address of the first node. So here it is like this. It is a single linked list. It is having start pointer with numbers of nodes are there. Suppose here 4 different nodes are there with different addresses. So start is having the starting address, and here the value suppose 5, 10, 20, 30, and the node first node containing the address of second node having address of third node, and third node is having address of fourth node. In case of single linked list, here the last node is containing null value, but in case of circular linked list, it is containing the address of the first node. That means it points to first node. So in case of circular linked list, what happened? Traversing is faster. That means if we are in last node, we can come to the first node immediately. So this is the advantage of circular single linked list. So here we'll see the creation of circular single linked list. Creation. So here also the node structure is like this. Node is having one data part int info suppose, and one link part is there, struct node asterisk link like single linked list, and here you have to create the pointers. Like here also you need struct node asterisk start pointer. You need start pointer to hold the address of the start node, and you need also fresh pointer which will hold the address of the freshly created node. So here also will dynamically allocate the memory. Fresh equals to struct node asterisk malloc size of struct node. So here dynamically the memory is allocated to fresh. Before that we will check that if fresh equals to null, if fresh equals to null, that means what? Memory is not allocated. That is underflow condition. Underflow condition, or you can say that no memory is there. No memory left. If else, if fresh equals to null, so memory is not allocated, that means node is not created. Else the node is created and you have to give the values to the node. Fresh info equals to whatever item you want to give, that integer value or whatever value you want to give, and fresh link equals to null. So now this is the fresh pointer which is holding the address of the first holding the address of the newly created node. Now here as you are creating the circular single linked list, so initially start is having nothing, no values are there. So start is equals to fresh, and fresh link is equals to start. So this is the simply creation of one circular single linked list. Here what happened? You are having start pointer and one node is created. Node is having some info part and link part, and here start is having the address of the node, first node, and the first node is also having the address of its node itself. That means here this is the case. This is also one circular single linked list. One node is there in the linked list. You may have more than one nodes there in the circular linked list also. So here we'll see, after that we'll see the insertion in a circular single linked list. Insertion of a node in circular singly linked list. Suppose you are having a circular singly linked list with numbers of nodes are there. You want to insert a node at the beginning of the circular singly linked list. So we'll see the algorithm here. So here I am not going to define again again what is the node and how the dynamic memory allocation takes place to the phrase pointer. All these things I am not going to write all these things. So I am writing the pseudocode only, the algorithm part. So here we'll check that what is the value of the phrase. If phrase equals to null, you know that memory is not allocated. Else memory is allocated, the phrase will get the phrase info will get the value, item value, and phrase link is equals to null. So now it is set. Then what to do? You have to insert this node at the beginning. So here you need another pointer that you have to declare. You need another pointer which is suppose before that you have to declare the pointers. You know that you are having a pointer start pointer, phrase pointer, and also one PTR. All these three pointers are the struct node type pointer. So start node pointer will hold the address of the starting node, phrase pointer will hold the address of the phrasely created node, and PTR is a pointer which is also a struct node type pointer which will required to traverse through the linked list. So here we'll set PTR equals to start. So what to do? Here we'll move the PTR while PTR link not equals to start PTR equals to PTR link. That means here using the while loop we are moving PTR to the last node, and we know that this is a circular singly linked list. So last node will contain the address of the first node. So until the PTR link will be start, we have to move PTR by PTR link. So PTR at last PTR will be there at the last node. So there what to do? You have to give the PTR link equals to phrase, because you know that phrase is going to be the first node. So PTR link should contain the address of the first node. As PTR is pointing to the last node, then that link part should contain the address of the first node, and phrase is going to be first node. So phrase address is going to be there in the PTR link, and after that phrase link equals to start. That means what? So as phrase will be the beginning node, so the start is containing the beginning node. Now that will be the second node. So phrase link will contain the start value. So now start will be changed. Start is equals to phrase. That means now start will contain the phrase node. So in this way the insertion of a node is takes place at the beginning of the circular linked list. So this is simply the pseudocode, the algorithm you can say, or you can write the complete program by yourself. Thank you.